Hello, friends. I am Dr. Vivek Jain from Cerebellum Academy. I am having with me Dr. Sakshi Patel, who has managed to score a triple century in the INICT November paper, rank 308. So, congratulations, Dr. Sakshi Patel and family.
Thank you so much, sir. It could have been not possible without the support of Cerebellum.
Thank you so much. What was the first reaction of Dr. Sakshi? Did you check the PDF again?
Yes, sir, I checked it thrice. I was not able to comprehend the feeling that I could score such a good rank. And I also gave it to my father that please check it. I'm not sure that I have scored this much of rank.
Okay, great, great. See, I know whenever we fall into any trap, we go to our parents. So, how was your journey? Matlab, you appeared in NEET PG. I
Yes,
discussed with you earlier, you told me that you scored a rank of 7600.
yes, sir.
So, what prompted you to give this particular INICT?
Sir, since I was expecting a good rank in NEET PG 2025, but somehow I was not able to score much, and all my friends got a good rank. So I was like, sometime I was feeling that I have been lagged behind. So my father motivated me a lot that you should do a last try, and
Okay.
then I gave a last try for INICT November.
Wow. Thanks to your dad and kudos to your dad for motivating you so that we can see a
Yeah, yeah.
smiling Dr. Sakshi. Now, Dr. Sakshi, it tells me that you scored a rank of 7600 in NEET PG. Definitely your theory portion must be very strong. So, after that, did you focus again on the revisions of the theory part more or you went more towards the questions?
Primarily, I was confident on my theory,
Hmm.
so I just went through my notes on my weaker topics. I didn't
Okay.
read all the topics,
Okay.
like if I am weak at ectopic pregnancy, so I just read the ectopic pregnancy and
Hmm.
see what questions can be asked in that topic, and I focused on TNDs in
Okay.
these 2 months.
Okay. So, do you feel when we conduct these examination and discussions, it helps the student?
So they are immensely useful. I must say, every student should do ENDs diligently
Hmm.
because sometimes you're not able to recall questions just by reading.
Hmm.
Somebody tells us, somebody मतलब बातें याद रह जाती वाली बात होती ना
ट्रू, वेरी
ऐसा.
ट्रू. ओके. तो अगर डॉक्टर साक्षी से पूछें, आपने रैपिड रिवीजन के कुछ वीडियोस देखे?
Yes, sir. Some subjects like huge subjects like surgery, obs and gynae, PSM. Uh,
ओके.
we tend to forget these things, na. So I
हम्म.
used to study them by revision videos, rapid revision videos.
ओके. डॉक्टर साक्षी को क्या पसंद है, दिन में ज्यादा पढ़ना या इवनिंग टाइम रात को ज्यादा पढ़ना?
Sir, I used to मतलब read late night.
लेट नाइट. सो लेट नाइट वर्ड टेल्स मी रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ लेट नाइट पीवाईक्यू. वर यू एबल टू डू देम?
Yes, sir.
सो डू यू
Uh,
फील पीवाईक्यूज आर इंपॉर्टेंट?
yes, sir, they are immensely useful. You should do PYQs. Without PYQs, we can't expect a good rank. Uh,
ओके. ग्रेट, ग्रेट, ग्रेट. एंड ग्रैंड टेस्ट, डू दे प्ले अ रोल इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट?
Sir, grand test just don't focus on the questions. We have to sit for 3.5 hours or per se 3 hours in
हम्म.
INICT.
हम्म.
So that kind of feeling that we are able to maintain our level of attention which is required in exam. GTs
हम्म.
are important for that thing.
ओके. ओके. ग्रेट.
Questions are also important because sometimes one section get matlab, sometimes one section didn't go well, then
हम्म.
we just kind of feel unmotivated that we should not
हम्म.
opt for the other section. It
ओके.
happened to me in INICT May. My
ओ.
first section didn't go well, so I was
हम्म.
like I should not attempt the further sections.
हम्म.
But by doing repetitive GTs, I used to sit for 3.5 hours and 3 hours, so it kind of
ओके.
motivated me.
Okay, so can I say GTs help you develop a conditional reflex or conditioned you for the actual exam?
Yes, sir. It is a
Okay.
simulation of the real exam.
Wow, wow, great, great, great. So, Dr. Sakshi, suppose a student is like you. He or she has appeared in the NEET PG NICT this year with good rank, but still wants to improve. So, can I say, like Dr. Sakshi, go for ENDs, go for late night PYQ, go for GTs? That should be sufficient, or should he or she also do revision from the existing notes?
Yeah, it all depends on the person. If
Hmm.
he tends to forget everything, matlab, sometimes people try to learn each and every detail which is written in the notes.
Hmm.
It is not necessary that like we just read each and every word. You should
Okay.
go through the weaker topics and the mostly asked topics because in INICT, preferably some questions are asked like in obs gynae they are concerned with sterilization, the contraceptives. So why not try to memorize those things
Okay.
rather than other things? But you should also give a good try in revising all those topics which are written in the
Mm,
notes.
that's good. Very good input. Now, Dr. Sakshi, if I give you a MCQ, think
Hmm.
and carefully answer because many students will be focused on this MCQ. What is single most important? It is not multiple response. Single most important thing to succeed in exams like this. Is it hard work? Is it luck? Is it mindset? Or is it any other? What do you feel?
Sir, I must say it is mindset
Hmm.
because I should say I was a negative personality. I
Hmm.
used to get demotivated very easily.
Oh.
So when I changed my mindset, preferably when Cerebellum Academy used to give the videos of like uh, Apur sir,
Hmm.
Praveen sir, and you, these kind
Hmm.
of videos when popped up in my feed, and then I used to see them. These kind of a changed my mindset, and then I started opting for the things which are required for the exam. So mindset is more important for me and every student who is preparing for the exam.
Wow, great. And you are from NSB Jabalpur, right?
And NSCB.
NSCV Jabalpur. So, what are you looking for as a career option now? I'm sure it must be clear in your mind.
Yes, sir. From the MBBS days, I was clear that I didn't want a surgical branch. I want a medicinal branch. So I was confused between medicine and pediatrics. But since my rank was not so good in NEET, I was not able to get medicine. But somehow I scored a rank in INI-City that could lead me to a general medicine seat.
Okay, there is one more very good non-surgical branch, PSM.
So, since I used to enjoy your videos, but in my college, I didn't enjoy PSM much.
Hmm.
That kind of not gave me that thrill. But PSM is a nice subject. My friends are very curious about this subject that they want to opt it.
Wow, great. So I'll request and suggest one thing to you. When you are pursuing your career and you opt for, let's say, medicine or any other branch,
Yes,
try
yes.
to integrate PSM into that. Use the preventive aspect more. Trust me, your medicine practice will become more easy and it will flourish like anything.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, sir. I will try.
So, when do we get to meet Dr. Sakshi in person? Ceribel Hum, Delhi.
Yes, sir. I'm waiting for that. I missed this one, but I will be in the present in the next one. I'm
Chalo,
eager to meet all the faculty.
I'll wait for my photograph with Dr. Sakshi Patel at
Thank you so
Ceribellum.
much, sir.
Wow, so lovely to talk to you today. You are such a nice, simple, humble person. Stay same,
Yes,
stay
sir.
honest to your profession, stay honest to your field, and go back and again tell your parents how much important role they have played in your success.
Yes, sir. So my
Right?
father has been my greatest support, and then I can't express it in words, but he has been through my whole of the journey.
Wow, great. Trust me, family will always stay number one, unconditional love and support. Then
Yes.
comes your friends, then comes your teachers, and at number 10 comes your relatives.
Yes, sir.
Right. So we'll end the interview on this smiling note. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. And many students are going to get inspired and replicate what Dr. Sakshi Patel has achieved. Great.
Thank you so much, sir.
Take care.